Hey, what's up guys? Jason here from PMP again, back with another video. In this one we're going to take a look at the March prep box, so after we run that intro we'll see what's inside. Alright, so if you've been lost off the face of the earth for the last year, yes, I do have my own monthly boxes. There's no subscription or commitment or auto payments or anything like that, so you just go buy each month that you want it. I drop plenty of hints so you know generally what's coming your way. So with that said, let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get for March. The cost is $100 each month plus shipping, and here is a list of what came in the March box. See down here there's a discount code JG19Q1 that'll save you 30% off your order on mountainhouse.com. Thanks to me being a Mountain House ambassador, which I pass them savings on to you. So let's go ahead and open up. Let's go ahead and check out the first item. And of course, with this is like camp cooking 2.0, so of course you got to have some Mountain House. And this is one of my favorite meals, chili mac with beef. It tastes very, very good, and it has a value of $7.99. And the second item is also a Mountain House meal, this time noodles and chicken. Probably not as good as the chili mac, but it's still pretty good. All their meals are good, and they last 25 years, so if you don't eat it now, maybe your kids can eat it one day, who knows, because it lasts that long. But that also has a value of $7.99. And the third item up is a Kershaw Ration XL. I set one of these out in my original camp cooking box, but it was just a small one. And this one's green, which I like a little better. Open it up. See if we can focus here. Yeah, good enough. Got a spoon on one end with a bottle opener. With a clip so you can clip it on, you know, your pants loop or your pack, whatever. And it's also got a fork. What's good about these are they're tall, so you don't have to get your hands dirty reaching deep down into the Mountain House meal. So it's a little benefit of that. Plus two-sided, so it's pretty good. Nice solid made metal, and it's green. Good color. But that has a value of $10.95. Alright, so the fourth item up, something I sent out actually in my intro box, but this is a 12 pack. It's a CoffeeWick Firestarters. They're actually made from recycled coffee grounds and wax. He puts them, the owner of the company is a real nice guy. He uses these big extra large condiment cups like you'd see at a restaurant, fast food restaurant. Fills them up with recycled coffee grounds and some sort of wax, but they're easy to use. You just light one up and they'll burn for 25 to 30 minutes, and they go perfect with the last item or set of items. But these have a value of $12.95, and basically you can just light them up, and even if you're just getting a fire going, you can just throw stuff right on top and you ain't got to worry about it because they burn so long. Alright, but the main item is right here. Let me rearrange real quick. Alright, so the main item, usually it came to me in 2 boxes, but in order to save on shipping space, I went ahead and put them down into 1 box, and plus it kills 2 birds with 1 stone because that's the way it's meant to be stored anyways. So it took so I went ahead and did that for you. So the outside one, you got the 900 milliliter pot right there, all stainless steel, nice construction, very durable. On the top here, it's got the handle, you can lock it in place, so if you're cooking it, you can grab the lid without having to worry about touching anything that's hot. So that's a pretty neat feature, and it fits very well. But alright, one more thing about the pot. On the inside of it, It's got the water level marks so you can fill it up. And you can see as you're filling it up, because sometimes it's hard to judge when they're on the outside, but of course you can see them on the outside, but you can read them from the inside. You can see that there. So pretty cool pot, stainless steel. And the main piece is this beautifully engineered stove right here, which I'm sure everybody's heard of this. If you haven't, I don't know where you've been, but this is the Solo Stove Lite. Look at there. It's like a rocket stove. It burns super efficient. There's not much smoke involved with it, and of course it all fits inside of itself. And you just stick the pot right on top, and you can just use sticks, you know, twigs that you find anywhere. It don't matter where you live. There's a tree somewhere, a bush that you can grab sticks from and use it to cook your dinner. But the reason I included these CoffeeWicks, well, they work perfect with the Solo stove. So you just stick it in there, light that bad boy up, and then it'll burn for 25 to 30 minutes, which you won't take that long to boil you up some water or heat you up some soup, whatever you're doing, cooking some ramen noodles. But whatever it is, it'll take care of it. You won't even need to add any other kind of fuel. So it's pretty cool. This is my favorite camp cooking setup there is, this stove and pot. You can't beat it. And the value of that set alone is $104.98, which pays for the entire box. So everything else you get is basically free. So pretty good deal, I think. And that brings the total value to $144.86. It's a little lower than normal, but honestly I had to pay more than I liked to have paid for the Solo stove, but I couldn't pass up the opportunity to include it because nobody else ever has, and I like being the only one that brings you the high quality gear you won't find anywhere else. So like I said, $145 basically. So you save, even with shipping, you're still saving over 30 bucks. And once again, that code JG19Q1 to save 30% off your order on mountainhouse.com. And also there is a coupon code for the CoffeeWicks to get 15% off your order if you ordered more of those, and that code is coffee15 at CoffeeWick.com. So besides getting some good quality gear, you're also getting some codes to save you some money, which is something I really like doing that, because it saves you. I don't get anything from that. Well, that's not true. The Mountain House, I guess they send me meals and things like that, so whatever. I'm a brand ambassador, so I get to try new stuff anyway. But that is the March prep box. All sold out on it, but there's still time to order the April prep box, which is going to have this beauty right here in it, the Gerber strong arm. This knife can take a licking and keep on ticking. So it's coming your way in April. I mean, it's already over 60% of the way sold out, so you might want to hurry if you're watching this video before March 22nd, 23rd, something like that. You want to go ahead and lock your order in for that, which will be down in the description. But as always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more, and remember, be ready.